Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook account. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta install the Facebook application and then you gotta simply open it. Once you do so, you'll be able to see something like this, and right beneath it, you'll be able to see create new account. Click on it and you'll be redirected to an interface that's gonna ask you to join Facebook. So you can either create new account or find my account, but we are creating a new account. So you're gonna click on create new account and then it's gonna ask you for the first name and surname. Simply type them down. Click next and then you'll be taken over to an interface where they'll ask you for your date of birth. So once selected, click on next and then you're going to select your gender. Once you do so, click on next again and then you're going to type down your phone number, or you can also sign up with your email address. Simply type down your email address and click on next. After that, you're going to type down a password. Once done, click on next and then click on I agree. And then they're going to send a confirmation code on that specific email. Simply type that confirmation code down and click on next. After that, they're going to ask you to add a picture. If you don't want to add a profile picture right now, you can simply click on skip. Then you can also connect to your contacts in order to find friends faster. And well, that's how you can create an account on Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.